Hey, what's up everyone? In the previous video, Sinan Bey created this massive looking Beyblade. But today, we will make the ultimate monster version of this Beyblade with real Beyblade parts. So first, we need to remove all the old parts from the Beyblade and just take the metal spinner blade. Now, attach a metal Beyblade energy ring on the spinner blade with glue. As you have seen in the thumbnail, Sinan is using metal parts like this. Unfortunately, Sinan doesn't know what it's called, but it's a bicycle tool. Stick a metal part like this. You can get this from a spinner or use something else. Now, for the performance tip, Sinan is using a balance type or attack type performance tip. Lastly, for a better look, you can also attach a facebolt, otherwise, it's optional. Your likes and great comments really inspire Sinan to make new videos, but this video would be worth it for us if you hit that subscribe button down below.
Yeah, boy.
So what are you waiting for?